No, it's still in there.
I don't think it is. Oh, there.
Take a video.
There's purple ones. Look at this part. You missed it. There's purple ones.
Purple! Yeah.
Oh, that baby. He's like, look this.
That's what Ando would sound like right now.
Oh, it's scary. It's very loud.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
Wow, that's neat.
Yeah.
Isn't that like a science how they do that?
Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, it's crazy the way that they fill up the tube has got to be so specific just to create like the different methods on how this shoots out and then something else shoots out that way. It creates the shapes and yeah, it's nuts. Oh, by the way, did you send your dad the Did you forward that email to your dad about the building of that building? Okay, good.
Yeah, that was really cool. That building's incredible. Oh
Yeah.
my God, look at that.
Yeah, really? Oh, that was cool. I have to be honest, I think my favorite part is how bright they are, that you see the smoke trails from all the other ones.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Like how they just cloud out like that.
I feel like the best seat in the house. Holy shit, look at that.
Seriously. That's awesome.
Creamy. That's amazing.
Yeah, that was cool. Shitty part on here, it couldn't distinguish the colors,
Yeah.
so it was just one big bright scene. Oh, that was neat.
Christmas. Cheers.
Let's finish this puppy before we have to go.
Wow, neat.
Yeah.
They look like they're coming at us.
We need like 3D glasses.
Yeah. You really have it. This seat is great.
This is a good spot, yeah.
I think it's better than being up there. I feel like we would be like
On the hill?
Here,
You want some more? Yeah, of course. look up. You look up. I got you.
Okay. Oh, so guy.
I know the whole time.
Horrible. We should, I think, like, we need, like, you could see them, but moms can, like, make baby ear balls and just put in their ears. It's hair, and they get to see it. You know?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's cool. This is a half an hour? Alright, I'm gonna stop
Started
this.
late.